Hello from Slovenia again. Today we will do a little project with some leftover paints that I have here. We will pour over the glass bowl, or how can I say, I use it like a decorative pot for plants. You can use it for a vase. It's your choice. I use glaze for ceramic, for glaze it afterwards, that it's not sticky, that it's waterproof. So yeah, we will do this today, but with different colors because I have them from my previous pour and they kind of go together. So I have Aqua Flash by Folkart, I have Pearl Green, Phthalo Blue, Pearl Violet, Red Violet, Naples Yellow Red, Pearl Red, Blue Violet and Pearl Blue, and I have some Pearl White, and I have this ivory color just to pour on to wet this vase at first. And it's kind of thinner than my other paints because I just want to cover this kind of wet it down, or how can I say, you understand if you do acrylic pouring probably. Okie doke. So while this drips off a little bit, I will layer my cup. Where should I layer that you will see? And I see something in here that I have to take out right away. Okey-doke. So I will start with this aqua. Maybe I should even stop earlier because it will continue to drip. It's beautiful. See, I think it's beautiful, and it will be beautiful. So now the hardest part is yeah. Unfortunately, it would be better just to lose this and have the nice vase. So here she is, dry, still sad that, you know, that I had an accident, so I didn't have enough paint to go over. I had the quantity but not enough to create kind of nicer pattern, or how can I say. So this one will probably be washed off and poured over, but yeah, so sad. But it's still beautiful. But I wanted to have more of those featherings, yeah. So accidents happen sometimes. And I think that it's okay for you to see that too. So have a nice Monday. Thanks for being here, and see you again on Wednesday. Bye.